Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Kitchen Mafia. Today we're gonna make house special roll, half deep fried soft shell crab roll and half put on the salad. Okay, let's start. So we have the nori seaweed, we have the bamboo, the mat for the sushi roll. So we use today we use the plastic one that non-slip, and this one is the old one that have wrapped with the plastic wrap. So this one easy to clean and no plastic wrap. So we're gonna use this one today. Put the rice a little bit. Then masako, asparagus, avocado, and half of the deep fried soft shell crab. So half for roll, half for salad. In a roll. So and then we're gonna use the thin slice of the Daikon cheese wrapped with the roll. Cut. Okay, now we're gonna cut. Cut 5. Put on the plate. Ginger wasabi. Then you're gonna put another half of the deep fried soft shell crab, put on the salad. Then we're gonna garnish with radish. With the cucumber, and a little bit of avocado, and we're gonna finish with the mayo and new sauce. Put some crunchy on top with the rice crackers. on top with the microwave chisel garnish. So this is the dish for today. Today we have the house special soft shell crab roll with the soft shell crab salad. Half in the roll, half with the salad. So hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a thumb up. Please share and please subscribe if you like my video. See you in the next episode. Thank you very much. Bye.